Hey guys, it's Blake here, bringing y'all another video. And today, I got somebody here with me. One of my friends that I saw.
What's up?
What my friend. So I am bringing y'all another tow truck video. And Shelly. And now, here it goes. Oh, I gotta get the horn. But now, guys, point back for me. But now I'm gonna show you all how the lights work before I show you something else. And shoot, there's the lights, guys. But now, point back towards me. Are you ready to see how I tow a pickup truck or a semi truck? Please say yes. That was for you. This is a video for you. Come on.
Yes.
And now, here comes the part when I get the box truck that I'm gonna tow. Now, give a like. Give a thumbs up button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to see its box truck, please let me know. That's a semi truck. Looking for a yellow box truck. Viewers, please let me know if you'll see a yellow box truck. Uh-oh. Alright, guys, but stay tuned until the next video, because I am going to show y'all another bus video soon. Stay tuned until the next video. My tow truck is stuck. Hold on, guys. I gotta get it back out. Oh no. And I am sorry I did that, but you're gonna see something wrong. But please let me know in the comments below. Just let me know in the comments below, guys. If y'all like my YouTube video, all of them. Just let me know. Buddy. Let me know. I'm not something. Everybody, y'all want me to tow a semi truck? Please say yes.
Yes.
No. There's one of our other lots. I can get back out into it. I can not crash. And here's what I'm gonna do for y'all. I'm gonna tow this to the other lot that's right around that corner. No, you just saw that I just went past. Oh wait, no, that's not what I wanted. You is what I wanted. Down. And this is all I have for today, everybody. Oh, I am so sorry about this. I am so sorry about this, everybody. So, this is all I'm not telling you anything on my YouTube, on my for my tow truck. I am just showing you how this works. Hit my just bottom. Just leave a likes up on. Put the thumbs up button and click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you'll watch this video right now and see you on the next one. Bye.